Rome Church are using Romanesque arch structure, which is evolved by basilican. In basilican-style building, the hall usually looks like a large rectangle, and through the vast hall between double rows of columns. Symmetric structure and large dome also an important character of Rome Church. Overlooking the church, we can see that the church looks like a big cross that is to commemorate when Jesus was crucified. The intersection of crosses near east that called Latin cross. Entire church feels like a great castle. For example, Saint-Sernin, Toulouse, France, ca.1070-1120 is a typical example of Rome Church. It is a very famous church in France. Aerial of this church looks like a cross. The center of gravity in the east that shows it is a Latin cross. The main character of the church is the tall tower that is 56 meters high in the junction. Gothic cathedrals are well known for height, straight and sharp. Whole building fells keeping upward, which makes church beaming with vigor and vitality, and fully embodies the purpose and spirit of the religion. The decorates of Gothic churches are exquisite and fine. For example, Cologne Cathedral is the world's most perfect Gothic-style church, located in downtown Cologne, Germany, the Rhine River. The reason is world-renowned, mainly because it is a European architectural history landmark sign. The atrium of this church is 48 meters high. Entire church looks like make by lots of spears. Walls of this church have lots of stained glass. In the bell tower, there are 5 bells inside of the tower, and the heaviest bell is 24 ton. This building has 2 towers, and lots of small towers around it. The internal spaces are very big. Gothic cathedral door usually face to west. This is because believers think that they should face to the holy sepulchres of Jerusalem when they doing the ceremony. The shape of door is usually round arch. There are lots of sculpture around the gate, such as Christ, Virgin, 24 elders, and 4 beasts. Those sculpture shows humanistic spirit. Christ will not be judged and Virgin was full of cordial, which suggests the image of real heaven. Gothic sculptural programs are evolved from Romanesque sculptural programs, which centers on accepting the good and rejecting the bad. The shape of Romanesque sculpture are full and stocky, sometimes may give people some mental stress and belonging, which makes it fearsome. On the contrary, Gothic sculptural usually colored that makes sculpture vivid and fetching. It also elegant and sleek, which makes sculptural mysterious and sublime, makes urge of the heart for people. Therefore, people think Gothic sculptural is kind.